Hello friends, now we are studying Y parameter. In the previous lecture, we have studied that there are four variables V1, V2, I1 and I2 are present, in which 2 will be your dependent variable and 2 will be independent variable. In Y parameter case, I1 and I2 will be dependent and V1 and V2 will be independent. It means I1 can be written as F1 of V1 comma V2 and I2 can be written as F2 V1 comma V2. So replacing with constant, I1 can be written as y11 v1 plus y12 v2 and I2 can be written as y21 v1 plus y22 v2. So y11, y12, y21, y22 are proportionality constant. We can write in terms of metric also. This will be I1, this will be I2, and here y11, y12, y21, y22 and v1 and v2. So this is your y. We can also write I is equal to y into v. So y is the admittance whose unit is mho. Now the main problem will be how to find out this value y11, y12, y21 and y22. We have I1 is equal to y11 v1 plus y12 v2 and I2 is equal to y21 v1 plus y22 v2. What we will do, we will short circuit this. So v2 will be short circuited first. V2 is equal to 0. Then these two equation can be written as I1 is equal to y11. Y11 can be written as y11 is equal to I1 upon V1 whose unit is mho when V2 is equal to 0. In the same way, we can write I2 is equal to y21 V1 where y21 will be equal to I2 upon V1 when V2 value is equal to 0. So y11 can be written as short circuit driving point admittance. Y21 can be written as short circuit forward transfer admittance. In the same way, when V1 will be equal to 0, we can calculate y12 and y22. When V1 will be equal to 0, then we will write I1 is equal to y12 V2. From here y12 will be equal to I1 upon V2 and I2 can be written as y22 of V2, means y22 has I2 upon V2 when V1 is equal to 0, when V1 is equal to 0. From here y12 can be represented as short circuit reverse transfer admittance, and y22 will be considered as short circuit driving point admittance. So now in general, how we can calculate? y11 will be equal to I1 upon V1 when V2 is equal to 0. y21 will be equal to I2 upon V1 when V2 is equal to 0. In the same way, we can write y12 is equal to I1 upon V2 when V1 is equal to 0. In the same way, y22 is equal to I2 upon V2 when V1 is equal to 0. So this is how we can calculate y11, y12, y21, y22 for any circuit. Now we are going to draw the equivalent circuit. We know all those formula y11 V1 plus y12 V2. From here we can write I1 minus y11 V1 minus y12 V2 is equal to 0, and the value of I2 can be written as y21 V1 plus y22 V2. From here we can write I2 minus y21 V1 minus y22 V2 is equal to 0. So here it will be y11 and there will be a dependent current source here that will be equal to y12 V2. This is voltage dependent current source, and here it will be plus minus V1 and I1. In the second side we can write y21 V1, that is also a dependent current source, as well as in parallel with y22. So here is the equivalent circuit for y parameter. So this is all about y parameter. Thank you.